All right, chorus friends. I saw your comments, heard your feedback about how that pronunciation video that I recorded wasn't working. So we are going to try it again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lyrics up here. I guess it will not let me go full screen. Oh, there we go. We're going to go full screen. I'm going to say them, and then we're going to break them down line by line, and I'm going to leave some time for you to repeat them back. Okay? So I'll do, like I said, I'll do the whole thing, whole screen, and then I'll go back line by line and leave some time for you to repeat them back to me. Here we go. Ah, wiki wiki my lo he la we my iko papa he na lu. So that's what the whole thing sounds like. Now I'm going to do it line by line, and I'm going to leave some pause for you to say it back to me. Ah, wiki wiki my lo he la we mai iko papa he na lu. Perfect. Let's say it all together, nice and slow. Here we go. Ah, wiki wiki my lo he la we mai iko papa he na lu. Got it? Let's move on. Same thing. I'm going to do the whole thing all together. Then I'm going to break it down line by line and leave a pause for you to repeat it back. Here we go. Ah, wiki wiki my lo he la we my iko papa he na lu pi na nanu la laha laha oke moana ha nupa nupa la ika la hana hana. Good. Now I'm going to break it down line by line. Remember when we get to this word, the M-A-I, it's my. We're focusing on the I sound in that, not may I, it's my. All right, so I'm going to do line by line. You're going to repeat it back to me. Here we go. Ah, wiki wiki my lo he la we my iko papa he na lu la pi na nalu la laha laha pi na lula laha laha oke moana ha nupa nupa oke moana ha nupa nupa la ika la hana hana. Good, let's say it all together. Here we go. Ah, wiki wiki my lo he la we my iko papa he na lu pi na lu la laha laha oke moana ha nupa nupa la ika la hana hana. Now let's see if we can finish it out. There's only one more sentence, two more sentences of Hawaiian, so same thing. I'll say the whole thing, then I'll go back and say it line by line, and then we'll do it all together at the end. Me ke kai hone ike pue one hele mai ka koa e. Good. Line by line. Here we go. Me ke kai hone ike pue one hele mai ka koa e. Hele mai ka koa e. Good, and you guys all know how it finishes. So when we do it together, we're going to finish it off with Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Here we go. Let's say this whole thing all together. Me ke kai hone ike pue one hele mai ka koa e. Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Awesome. I hope you guys are having fun practicing your Hawaiian. Remember, if you need to still slow this down still, you can go to settings right here. You can go to playback speed. It's set on normal right now. You can go to 0.75, and it will slow it down for you if you want to do it with the music. All right. Happy practicing, boys and girls.